Hi, my name is Dr. Matthew Sardelli here at the McLaren Flint Residency Program, and I'm here today to demonstrate for you a meniscus debridement case with the ARTHRO Mentor system. We will start with a diagnostic arthroscopy. I've inserted the camera through a lateral portal. Here you can see the cruciate ligaments, the ACL, and the PCL back here. Laterally, you can appreciate the lateral meniscus, and this is intact. You can see that I'm probing it. You can see the cartilage surfaces of the lateral femoral condyle and the lateral tibial plateau. Moving medially, again, you're able to appreciate the medial femoral condyle, as well as some early wear, which is demonstrated quite nicely with the ARTHRO Mentor software at the medial tibial plateau. We're also able to appreciate what appears to be more of a degenerative type medial meniscus tear. After probing the meniscus, we can see that it's in the white zone of the meniscus. This is an area of tearing that is not going to heal, doesn't have any blood flow. Also, the tear is longitudinal, making it not amenable to fixation. We will have to debride this tear. I've now utilized from the tools menu in the lower left a punch type resector to begin our initial debridement. We are going to debride just the torn portion of the meniscus. At this point in time, I'm replacing the sensor device to move towards the shaver. As you can see, using the shaver, we're able to smooth the meniscal edges. It should also be known that the system is very sensitive, and if the shaver is used on the cartilage surfaces, it will indeed scratch the cartilage surface. Now you're able to nicely see that a meniscectomy has done in the region of the medial meniscus. The edges have been smoothed, and there is no longer any loose flaps. We can probe this for confirmation. After you're done with your module, you're able to close the case. That's simply done by pressing the red X in the lower right-hand side of the screen. Afterwards, you are able to look at your metrics in terms of the amount of time it took you to complete the module and how accurate you were. Here, the various metrics can be shown. At the top, you've seen the total time it took me to complete the module. Next, it determines how many instances there were in which instruments were potentially coming in contact with the camera. Lastly, you could look at colored maps to see if you indeed did perform an entire diagnostic arthroscopy. Lastly, you can see which types of instruments you used. Finally, as you scroll down, you're able to see a visual comparison between the meniscus tear prior to your intervention and after. Here you can see a degenerative longitudinal tear of the meniscus, and here is the meniscus appearance post-meniscectomy, which we just performed. Thank you.